Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to see how to make a chicken shawarma wraps. It's a simply delicious and so full of flavor, juicy, and it's really easy to make with the air fryer, friends. So today we're going to see how to make chicken shawarma with the air fryer. And let's see how to make this delicious, juicy, succulent chicken grilled shawarma in the air fryer. So first we need the ingredient to marinate: garlics, black peppers, red flakes chilies. You need a cardamom. Cardamom is really main ingredient. Oregano, nutmegs, cumin powder, salt, paprika. So this is the ingredient for marination: the spices, garlic, lemon juice, about half lemon, 1/4 cup yogurt, parsley, and olive oil, friends. So this is today I have the chicken thigh. It's a boneless, skinless chicken thighs, about 500 grams. So I started with the yogurt and garlic. I just blend it, became nice creamy paste. Now I'm adding all the spices: cumin, paprika, chili flakes, salt, black pepper, and olive oil, about 1 to 2 tablespoons. I just give a nice mix with the spoon. And we can add the chicken, and we can set for the marination. So for the marination, friend, you can set in the overnight, but today I just set about for the 1 hour marinate, and that is sufficient, because the yogurt and lemon juice is really absorbing all that goodness, that the spices. It smells so good here, friend. The garlic, and you can smell the nutmeg. Cardamom is really give that the really original flavor of this the from the Middle Eastern style, and it's typically so easy to make. So today we're using the air fryer. So I just preheat about 400 Fahrenheit in air fryer setting, and so we're going to, once it's preheat, we can add this the chicken shawarma in the air fryer. Before that, I just add some chopped parsley in the marinate chicken that we marinate about 1 hour ago. So I'm just add the chicken on this tray. So it's simply easy, and it's so delicious, friend. It's really having this flavorful slice of meat, and in the Middle East they always roast the meat with the stacking, and will have the fire roasted, and always they rotate, and because they're going always slice that meat. But because we are made at home, we don't have that the stone grill. We just try use the alternative is the air fryer. Nowadays it's trending, so I'm just show how to make it. Now perfect succulent, juicy chicken. You see that's already brown and so delicious, smells so heaven here, so yummy. And you always can make this with a different meat, beef or lamb or mutton. It is comes so delicious, friend. The marination is only the power ingredient for any kind of meat. So once the marination is done, you can just pop to the air fryer, and you have this delicious. It looks so perfect. It cook outside, grilled char, and juicy and pink inside. So now it's a step 2. Let's see how to make the tahini sauce. It's a sesame tahini sauce. First step, we're going to make that the tahini paste. So all you need 1 lemon juice, 2 garlics, 1/4 cup to half cup water, salt, two to 3 tablespoon tahini paste. So either you can make at home, but it's very easy to make at home. I'm going to show how to make that tahini paste at home. So all you need 1 cup sesame seed and half cup of olive oil, friend. It's so easy, and you have that the nutty and fresh olive oil flavor in this tahini paste. And you can store this tahini paste in the refrigerator. You always can use the roasted sesame seed. That's also give that nuttiness flavor. So either whatever you have, you can use it, or if you have the white, you can roast it in the dry roasted, and you can use it. So in the blender, I'm adding the sesame seed. So I'm using the roasted version and half cup of olive oil. Once you blend the sesame and become a little bit powder, and now I'm adding the half cup of oil. It should be equal 1 to 2 if you're using the 1 cup of olive oil and 2 cup of sesame seed. So it's so easy. So just blend it until you find that the consistent. It should be fine paste. So then keep blending and you find that the right consistent. It should be fine paste and literally like a peanut butter. So you can see that this is the right consistent, and you can store or refrigerator for 6 months. This tahini paste you can use for the hummus, or you can make the different versions sauce or baba ganoush or any kind of. This is the base, is the tahini paste. So now I'm going to show you how to make a garlic tahini sauce. So all you need a garlic, salt, 2 to 3 tablespoons of a tahini paste that we prepared earlier. So just add it in the blender. So this is good, and I'm going to add that lemon juice, about 1 lemon, and reminding I'm adding the water. The water should be the consistent you desire. Look at this, friend. It's so perfect and creamy, and you no need to buy it from the store, and you can make the fresh version at home, no time. It's so delicious. So friend, please check the description below how to make the pita bread. Step 3, assembly. So you can make the either wrapped or a folding pita. So for make the wrap, to make the hummus recipe, please check the description below. They have the link in the below. It's so easy make the hummus. It's a quick version. So please check the description below to find the link how to make hummus. So I just spread the hummus on the pita bread, and just starting adding all that, the fresh lettuce, tomatoes, sliced onion. The red onion is really delicious. It gives that sweet flavor on your wrap. Cucumber, just slice thin. It's give that easy, and if you have the big chunky, it's so not good to eat. And then just now we can add all that, the grilled chicken shawarma in our wrap. It's so hot. It's a hot sandwich. You can see that the steaming. It's just, you can see that it smells so good, friends. Now I'm adding that drizzle some that the tahini sauce that we prepared earlier. It's a homemade tahini sauce, garlic tahini sauce. Look at this, it's perfect. Just drizzle generous amount This is the base, and the flavor is just a mouthful flavor, friend. It's just so delicious. Now we can wrap it with the aluminum foil in the bottom. Just fold it a little tight and bring the aluminum foil and lock that aluminum foil, and you can see that the perfect chicken shawarma wrap. You can add more the tiny sauce, or you can set as a dipping on the side. So perfect. The chicken so juicy and succulent. Now I'm showing how to make that, the taco version chicken shawarma wrap. Let's see. So same, we're going to have the pita bread. So friends, please check the description box below. I leave the link how to make a homemade pita bread. It's so easy, and you can make the nice generous amount of the pita bread for the less cost money, and it's so fresh, and if you made at home. So just spread the hummus on one side. I'm just putting all that, the lettuce, tomato, and then the onion, and then some grilled pepper that we grilled earlier with the chicken shawarma. Now I'm adding the chicken shawarma in one side. So you can add more. It's so yummy, friends. The flavor is have that the spice, the mild spices, and Middle East spices, the cardamom, cumin, and then the nutmegs. It's so juicy and so delicious. You can see that it's so wonderful recipe, and another recipe from the global cuisine, and you need to must try this delicious version of chicken shawarma at home. And it's simply mouthful flavor, and you never miss that, the delicious chicken shawarma at home. Thank you.